Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, you'll land on this interface, whereas at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. At the bottom right, tap on more and you'll land on this interface. Again, tap on the settings over here, and over here when you land on this interface, you can see there is the appearances option available for us just above the general. Tap on appearance, and over here you can see there's a option where it says choose a theme, either light or dark. Now in order to turn off dark mode on Viber, simply tap on the light over here and your dark mode on Viber will be turned off. And there guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.